Let's talk about AI mode. Let's talk about how it has affected everything. So Google came out with AI mode, Bing came out with AI mode this week. If they haven't released it already, they're going to be releasing it for their version of it. But you have more people that are not going to a search engine anymore. As I'm going through and I'm looking around and I'm talking to people about how they're searching. So before I came in to do this event, I came in, I went through, I was looking at a lot of different people that were looking for stuff and just walked around downtown to figure out how people are looking for stuff and how they're doing research and how they're building stuff out now. And they're utilizing AI as an assistant. What that means is they're pulling out their phone, they're turning on Grok, they're turning on ChatGPT, they're turning on Gemini, and they're saying, hey, I'm looking for this because I have this problem. And I want to be able to solve this. Who do you recommend? This is my location. This is what I need. This is everything it is. Great. What are their reviews? And it is coming back and it is telling them all of this information. This is like what big corporations used to have back in the day of having a full executive assistant, an assistant in their pocket. They're going through and the systems are doing the research. But here's what kills me about this entire brand new piece of how this world is working is so many business owners have a website. They've got some social that sometimes they post to. They're not putting any information out there. And the information they're putting out there is information that some marketing team is coming up with, and it's not based on problems they solve and what they do. They should be talking about, I do X, Y, Z. I solved this. I did this for this person. They came to me with this problem. I solved it. I went through, I did this inspection. I found this. I baked this cake for this problem. I did this to help someone do this and tell their story. Because without that information and without saying everything you do in those types of ways, you are going to not make it to that assistant to recommend you. Because you haven't built any content, you haven't built any authority, and you haven't built any trust. And inside of the world of marketing, you have to build authority, you have to build trust, and you have to do it based on content. You have to be listed everywhere to where you have some authority to be able to say, I am the expert in this area. I do this really well. I can help them do this. If you want to get recommended, it's not just about getting the best reviews. It's not just about those pieces anymore. It's about being personal and being able to build that brand to be able to get your business out there. So what have you done in the last 6 months to be able to tell your story about the problems you solved? How many stories have you had that you forgot about because you had so much other stuff going on and you didn't take the time to pull out your phone, have a conversation with your AI assistant and say, hey, can you write me a blog about this? I just solved X, Y, Z. Or pull out your phone and record a video just like what I do all the time. This video might be just that. I sit and I go through a lot of different things. I look at a lot of different I analyze a lot of different profiles for businesses. This is the biggest way that most businesses are failing at their marketing, and it absolutely kills me. If you want to change your marketing around, come and visit us at simplybefound.com. We have a lot of different tools to be able to help you grow your business so you can fill your 3 pillars of content, authority, and trust and be able to get more customers. If you have any questions whatsoever, hit us up on chat. We'd love to chat with you today. Have a great day.